Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Net Promoter Score question in Surveymonkey. Quickly and easily. First, log into your Surveymonkey account. Head to the survey you want to edit and click on it, then go to the Design Survey section. Next, look at the top left corner and click the Build tab. You'll see a list of question types. Scroll through and select Net Promoter Score. After that, SurveyMonkey will load the default NPS question. It usually says, how likely are you to recommend our product or service to a friend or colleague? You can leave it as is or tweak the wording to match your brand. Now to customize it, click on the text and choose alternatives like this brand, this product, or this service. You can also type in your own version to make it more specific. To complete the setup, decide if you want to make the question required. Just check the box if you do, but keep in mind that mandatory questions might reduce survey completion rates. And that's it. Hit Save to lock in your changes. You've just added a powerful NPS question to your survey, ready to gather insights on customer loyalty and satisfaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.